Today we are making a hamburger, and this is at 4 minutes and 59 seconds, so we'll have to hurry. Wait, let's go. So first we need this. We have the cheese already. Need to grab the patty. Up, it's in there. Got it? Stack-a-wacka. I'm on a rush today. Have to wait for it. It's been pretty long. Should be ready. Pretend it. It's fine. That thing never rots out. Still been pretty long. Should go get going. Oh, it is hot. I'll put the patty on. With the ketchup. I already grabbed the bread. Put the cheese back on. Grab another piece of bread. Smack that on there. And yeah, I think. And yeah, we're gonna need to cut my potato. I'm gonna hurry. Potato. Oh geez, scared me. I know karate, so I can chop this. Karate chopped it. They're raw, so we need to cook them. Frying it. Just gotta wait for it. Pretty long now. Should be ready. Oh, they're also fresh. Let's put this in a pot to cool it off. Now, we will serve this to my customers. Gave it to this person we don't know. You want me to blur out your face?
I don't want to be on.
I'll blur on your face. Either way, we gave it to our customer. Either way, we gave it to our customer. Sorry. And guess what? Right after that, my dog says, I think it's delicious. Nom nom nom.
Stop.
Nom nom nom, he says. Nom nom.